Hello, it's Nicholas Tan from Affiliate Marketing Info Channel. It's the new product will be launched on September 16, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. The new product is called Fused. And the Fused is a very new product that will reveal the secrets to zero selling formulas that makes ordinary people $136 to $221 per day. Single cell, complete 3-step zero selling formula. Connect these two platforms and you can generate daily profits. It works in multiple categories. It's based on cloud-based. You can work on any device worldwide, and you could tap into 900 million very targeted traffic sources done for you pages, hosting included, and also the full training. You don't have to pay monthly fee because you just pay one-time payment. So, and you can see that this is also some of the income approved. It is also a very simple 3-step. Step 1 is select a product. Step 2 is select done for you pages. Step 3 is turn on this instant target traffic. And so it is also a newbie friendly. This is also you can use this as is follow the step by step training inside the members area. And also if you interested in this particular new launch will be launched on September 16. Please stay with me till the end of the video. I also included some exclusive bonus for you if you pick up this product. So let's take a look what my included for you. So what is my Fused? Fused will automate a proven affiliate formula, enable anyone to generate affiliate result without the cost of experience. It's a brand new and simple system designed for newbie, generate an income from promote other people's products, but it is without any actually selling anything, because you have to pull. If you want to make money, you will have to sell something to anyone. Such the easier way is we know is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, you don't have to handle customer service. You don't have to inventory and also how to make the payment and the shipping charges. You don't have to handle all of anything of this. Affiliate marketing, you just to promote some fun and products, and they will handle all of it, including the customer support. You just as a middleman, and you can make commissions. Some of them you can if you have be affiliate marketing for a while, you will know click banner. You will get click banner, JV sooner, and Warrior Plus. They will get commissions up to 50%, and some click banner will pay you up to 75%. If you are maybe have a very large amount of traffic, you will upgrade to 90% commission. It is also up to some individual program you have to request for yourself. Let's take a look. You will activate in 3 steps. Step 1 is choose a product. Step 2, choose your pages. Step 3, turn on this instant traffic. Instant traffic, you will tap into this 900 million per month traffic source. This is just for penny, very cheap. What they are. So and this is all in my bonus page. I also included a demo video. This is created by the vendor. So I don't want. So this is all. If you want to know much about how to go through in the members area, how this software can help you to generate money, you should definitely to watch this demo video inside my bonus page. So let's take a look what I have created exclusive bonus for you. Don't forget, you will get all my exclusive bonus inside in the below in the description. The first link is my bonus page. So let's take a look. What in order to help you to make more money, it is also the most important. It is just not only subscribe restrict yourself to just one source. The program inside the software, they will have Google ad. Google ad is the paid ad. So I want if you are tight on budget, and I also have some exclusive bonus how to drive traffic, free traffic. You don't have to pay anything. So this is my bonus number one. $100 per day with free traffic. How to make this work? You will go through this course. Bonus number two, free no-cost traffic apps you can get started today. Bonus number three, this is a Facebook domination secret. How to use your Facebook profile and also to attract more high-paying clients. This is just you on Facebook profile, so you don't have to pay anything. It is also free. Bonus number four is a free features how to use Instagram story to enhance your engagement and sales. Instagram, I think more of you you have Instagram. Just your Instagram is just only 24 hours, but many online marketers can use this Instagram story to get more results. So it's definitely still free. And bonus number five is the fake go breakout. This is also called created by the very famous and 60 figure and internet marketer. It is also General Armstrong too. In this video course, he will review how to make use of Instagram influencer. You have 10, 100 or million thousands of followers. How to use the influencer marketing. This course will teach you how to do it step by step. Bonus number 6 is the free course how to generate massive quality traffic consistently through social media. And I showed, but this is also and I showed you because Facebook other than Facebook and Instagram and all you can LinkedIn Twitter, Thumbnail, Pinterest and other social media. You can how to use it. This is free course to teach you how to generate massive quality traffic. Bonus number 7 is also the video course how to this is also to review 9 ways to make more money with YouTube. YouTube it is also a free traffic, and how you can make more money is not in this video course will teach you 9 ways to make money with YouTube. Bonus number 8 you will do it. I highly how to build a WordPress website in 2020. I highly recommend the first priority just not only is to build your emails. The second asset you will have to have your own WordPress website. If you don't have a website, in this video, in this bonus, you will have divided to 2 sections. The section 1 is a long, maybe a longer version. It's about over 2 hours. If you have you will step by step detail how to set up a WordPress website. But I also included a short version. It's about 30 minutes. It is briefly to explain and how to how to build a website in under 30 minutes. And also you will get all the exclusive bonus and within in the sales page. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hit 0. When you purchase press this blue button and you go to this sales page and you grab this product any button in the grab this blue button this such and this yellow button you will get all my exclusive bonus before the timer hits 0. And inside your WordPress purchase file you will get all my exclusive bonus in the blue button and even if you just purchase the front end. So lastly I will don't forget you will get this bonus page and below in the description the first link is my bonus page link. So lastly I will go through what is the upsell they will offer in order to make you more money. They will go all the upsell is $60 and 30 cents. But I remind you, this is the price will be up and will be priced about 3 hours. So you must watch this review and you decided to pick this up as soon as possible because the price goes up every 3 hours. the front end is you will get all the cloud-based software highest paying offer you will create up to 10 campaign per month. This is no additional fee. 5 done for you pages in the highest paying category. Generate up to 15x per month. This is X for Google Ads. Full analysis. You will also because this is Google. You have to add some private label terms and disclaimer. This is a must for Google Ads. Option number 1 is a Fused Pro. They also provide a Fused Pro Elite. This is $60. I think it is a downsell. You will also have you will get an unlimited generate X instead of 15. Unlimited keywords. And also you can create up to 100 campaign per month instead of 10. This is I think this is a front end. You publish to WordPress. You just I mentioned you can publish on your website. Option number 2 is expert. Also expert related of $37. You must be have a downsell $27. You will automation. Create up to 300 campaign per month instead of 10. You will also have 15 done for your pages and generate up to 113 X per review. Option number 3 is Fused instant traffic. Also have released at $97. This is I think this is a downsell with $67. You will get to pick your place your Google Pixel in their sales page because they have a very target audience, and also you will get this and penny cheap traffic. Option number 4 is agency, or you will come with a downsell. Is have a downsell 1K is $47 with $37. It is unlimited sale. You can sell this as your own and keep 100% and for the profit. Option number 4 is the last is the Fused 1K with version 2 was discounted $127, $97 or $97 is upsell. You will have and video and tutorial done for your profit. 6 figure with $6. All the users will fill in on their blender, generate and give away the high quality conflict content. Each content become units to the user after you fill in the blender. User the benefits of an inbuilt promotion structure. If you have extra money, you can grab this. This is also you. Don't forget you will have many 9 million target. You will have traffic source done for your pages and you will have a 3-step to 0 formula. 100% newbie friendly. You will connect two platforms. I think this is the CPA method and also the traffic method is from Google AdWords. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus before timer hit 0. When you purchase when you any button when you purchase through my link, you will get all my exclusive bonus even if you just purchase the front end. So lastly, thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will have more marketing tips as well as more upcoming product launch to be revealed. Thanks for taking time to check out my review. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.